Hi guys, welcome back to Myntra YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited to show you a makeup look that is taking the world by storm, and it is the Office Siren Makeup look. This look is all about blending sophistication with a touch of glamour. This is gonna turn heads at the office while keeping it professional. So if you're ready to elevate your office glam game, then keep watching. Alright guys, so first of all, I'm gonna use the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pink Light. I love using this because it just gives a beautiful glow to your face, and also I find it to be the best base for my foundation or my skin tint. The glow it gives is just insane. For today's look, I'm going to wear a skin tint. So it's from Smashbox. It's the Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer, and this has got SPF 25 too. I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it all over my face, and then I'm just going to blend it with my hand. Look at the transformation. It just looks like your skin but better. It just gives a very nice natural coverage to your skin, and it's not heavy at all, so you can wear it all day long. Next, for my concealer, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and I'm going to apply it on my under eye area. If you want, you can just apply a little bit less. And taking a damp beauty sponge, I am going to blend it. And this concealer just blends seamlessly, and it makes my under eye area look so fresh. Next, to set my under eye area, I am going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder, and I'm just going to take a little bit of powder, apply it to set my concealer. It just gives the most flawless under eye area ever. Oh my god, just look how fresh my under eye area looks right now. Next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. I'm going to comb my eyebrows first, upwards, and then wherever I see a gap, I just fill it up. Now let's move on with the eyes, which is the crucial part of the siren look. Apply a little bit of concealer on top of my eyelids just to create a clean space for the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is in the shade Smoky and Highlight. I'm going to use this cream shade on top of my eyelids. Just use it all over the eyelids. Also just use a little bit on my lower lash line. Next, for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Liner. I don't want a thick upper lash line. I just want a thin one with a winged liner. So I just need to be very, very careful. I have to use a mirror for this. I am going to start with the inner corners of my eyes, like the inner 1/3 area of my eyes, and start by lining it. And then just slowly follow the natural eye shape and bring it till the end of the lids, just like that. And from here, we are going to create a winged liner. So I'm just going to draw a line just like that. I'm also going to draw a line on top and join till the end. And I'm just going to fill it in. And I'm just going to extend the inner corner just a tiny bit. Okay, अब eyeliner हो गया है. मैंने wing create कर लिया है. I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Explore Eye Pencil. And this is in the shade Mysterious Black. And I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. आपको बस tight line करना है. ज़्यादा lower lash line के नीचे नहीं आना है. Just थोड़ा सा tight line कर ले, and it'll just look like this. Just make sure to connect the inner corner and the outer wing. अभी मैं ये grey use करने वाली हूँ. This is a matte grey, and I'm going to use it on top of the liner, just a hint of the grey so that it looks a little smoky. If you're going to wear this in office, you have to make it a little subtle, not too loud. So I'm starting from the tip of my wing, and you can see it instantly. It just makes it so subtle. We're now going to take this grey to the inner half of our eye. Wing area करने के बाद थोड़ा सा outer half में भी apply कर ले. We are going to apply this on the lower lash line just to keep the kohl pencil dry all day long. We are going to use the Mars mascara. For the bronzer, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Cheekaboo palette, and I'm just going to apply it on the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit. I'm just going to use this blush just a little bit. That is it, and we're going to end this look with lipstick. And for the lipstick, I'm taking the Stays 9 to 9 Love Triangle lipstick. This is in the shade Brick Pink. This lipstick has got two shades. I'm going to use this shade, which is a little bit towards the red. And I'm just going to dab it very, very lightly, like hardly touching my lips. And then just blend it with the fingers. Alright guys, that's it, and there you have it, the ultimate office siren makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful. आप ये look जरूर try करना for your next office glam look, and don't forget to subscribe to Myntra YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon for more content like this. Do comment down below what you want to see next, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.